What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sparckman. Today we're gonna have a look at the 5 top game engines for beginners. Now if you're a beginner, there's nothing worse than starting with the wrong game engine, because there is such thing as a game engine that is not right for you. Alright guys, so let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe. Did I say subscribe twice? I think I did. Alright, doesn't matter. When we come back, we are going to have a look at the top 5 game engines for beginners. Alright, so this is going to be a short video, guys. I don't want to drag this too much. I just want to give you a list of the top 5 game engines for beginners. Number 5, RPG Maker. Now guys, if you had never made a game before, you're almost guaranteed to finish a game in RPG Maker RV. Okay, this thing is so easy that even if you give it to a kid, they probably will finish a game the very first time they use this game engine. It's a good way to start getting used to making your own games. Okay, now the cool thing about this is that for the same price, they allow you to export to Android, iOS, HTML5, and just about anything out there. It's freaking great. I think it's like 40 bucks or something, but sometimes it goes on sale for as little as $8. Moving to number 4, and really this should be number 1 because this game engine is freaking awesome. And of course we're talking about GameMaker Studio 2. Now GameMaker Studio 2, you can make just about anything you want in GameMaker Studio 2. It does take a week or two to get used to the interface, and if you don't know how to code, this also has drag and drop capabilities, which basically allows you to make games without programming. This game engine is solid. I believe you can get this for about 40 bucks now. I think it's 30 something. And this lets you export to just about anything as well. And you're never stuck for help, because there is like a gazillion of tutorials out there, including mine. So yeah, so incidentally check out my my other channel, which has a lot of GameMaker Studio 2 tutorials. So yeah, so it's a great game engine, and it's good to get started. But again, there is a little bit of a steep learning curve. But if you don't mind, it's an amazing game engine. Number 3, AGK Studio. It's probably one of the easiest ways for anybody to get into game development. The reason is because there is a ton of templates with games already made, which you can just tweak around and make your own game. Now the cool thing about it is that now you'll be able to use it as a drag and drop game engine. Okay, very easy to use. Now the results of this game engine are super professional, and this lets you export to just about anything: iOS, Android, PC, Steam, you name it. For the price, it's almost like you're robbing the company. You can start selling your games right away. I should mention that games made with AppGameKit, they look incredibly smooth. Yeah, the games look like they're done by some big studio or something. Number 2, Construct 3. Okay, so I think everyone knows this game engine is extremely simple to use, and one of the cool things I like about this game engine is that you don't actually have to have a PC to make games. You can actually make games in an Android tablet, or even if you're on Macintosh. It doesn't really matter, you could be in Linux. And the reason is because this thing runs on a browser. A lot of people think because it runs on a browser it's going to be weak, but it's actually one of the most powerful game engines out there. There is a lot of tutorials online, including my tutorials, which you should check out. It has a lot of templates to get you started, and using the game engine is extremely simple. Actually, if you give it to a kid, they probably will make a game in the same day. Now this one is subscription based, and it comes down to about 35 cents a day, about $7 a month kind of thing. Kind of like the old Netflix. Okay, just think about this game engine like Netflix, except for it's like for game engines. Alright, so yeah, so again, this allows you to export to anything: Android, iOS, PC, Steam, and even Xbox. Now, it is time for the number 1 game engine on the market. And it's not even on the market because it's free. And of course we're talking about Gdevelop. Gdevelop is extremely simple to use. This game engine has been flying under the radar for a long time. Now a lot of people are starting to realize that this is the best game engine out there for beginners. This exports to Android, iOS, HTML5, PC, Steam, you name it. This thing is a beast. Okay, it's extremely simple to use, and did I mention it's free? Yeah, it's free. It's free. This lets you export about, I believe, 10 times a day for Android and for PC. But if you want more exports, you can pay a super low fee of $2 a month. Now, it's always good to donate to projects like this because there's a lot of companies out there that, I don't want to use the word take advantage of you wanting to make games, but I mean they are businesses, right? I mean, they are trying to create great tools for you to make games for a price. So that's why I think you should donate to Gdevelop and to my channel as well. I had to throw that in there too. Alright guys, so there you go guys. There's a lot of tutorials for a lot of these game engines in my channel and in my main channel. I have a second channel. My second channel is Sparckman 2, so check it out, because in my main channel you see a lot of games and all that kinds of stuff. But if you want to see only game tutorials, check out Sparckman 2, my second channel. Alright guys, don't forget to smack the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed.
Hi. Welcome to the text-to-speech example. Please enter the text that you want me to say, then press enter to confirm. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.